Guys, welcome to my channel. I went for my walks just a little while ago and it started to downpour. My hair got soaked. It's still wet, I could feel it. And I had to run because I was all the way in the farthest corner in the park from my house, and it wasn't one of those rains that starts to let you know that it's going to rain. I mean, I knew it was going to rain because it was so cloudy, but you know how sometimes it starts with little drops? No, this was a downpour. It was like, and then when I got to the front of my house, I couldn't get the gate open because we have an electric gate. And for some reason, I kept pressing and pressing it. And of course, I'm just standing in the rain and the door wouldn't open. Finally, I got it open. And so I'm sorry for the way that I look. So since I couldn't walk, I decided to start working on my July the 4th wreath. Anyway, it's about time because July the 4th is just around the corner. And I wanted to make it in case you guys wanted to make one for yourself, you would have time to do it. So I think it's going to be really festive and happy and really, really pretty. So I hope that you'll join me for this wreath and that you enjoy the video. Once again, thank you for subscribing, and I hope, if you haven't subscribed, that you will take this opportunity to hit the subscribe button and get started with this July the 4th wreath. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I see you in my next one. Bye. And I'm going to use one of these America the Beautiful paper plates. There's 12 to a pack. I thought that was really pretty. I'm going to be using these ribbons. Everything I'm showing you is from Dollar Tree. And I bought 2 of these beaded garlands in a red and a blue. I got this foam scatter. And I got this decor and the bicycle wreath form. Some craft sticks. So let me get everything prepared here and let's start with this July the 4th wreath. Garlands. I got 2 of them. I got a red one and a blue one. I'm going to wind it around the entire exterior of bicycle wreath form. And this is what it's looking like. So I cut the little wires into pieces, and then I don't have to be rolling the whole piece of wire through the wreath form. I just do it a little bits at a time, and it was really easy. It didn't take hardly not even like 5 minutes. So I do it one piece at a time. See? Much easier to work with. Okay, so I finished bordering the wreath form with the beaded garland. Now I'm going to open the foam scatter, which I'm going to be working with in just a little bit, because first we're going to do the bow for the wreath with this beautiful July the 4th red truck ribbon and a solid red ribbon. As you will soon be able to see, I am no expert in making bows. I know there's a lot of fancy methods out there for making bows, but I don't know how to do those. So I will just do it my way. And I know that it's not the fanciest way, but I still think it'll be pretty anyway. So let's get this bow finished so we can continue with the next step. I'm using a piece of the wire beaded garland to put the 2 ribbons together. It worked really well for that. I hot glued a piece of a craft stick to the bottom of the bow, as you can see there, so that I could put the hot glue on the craft stick and it would just hold better to the other piece of ribbon. Now I hot glue a blue star to the center of the bow, and voila, I have my bow. I think it's cute. Next, I will be hot gluing a piece of a craft stick to each of the stokes of this wheel wreath form. I'm just going to leave 2 without a craft stick because I will be hot gluing the bow on those 2. So let me finish and I'll show you what it looks like. Now I'm going to hot glue 2 Jenga blocks, which I had in my stash, and I'm going to put it in the center. You don't need to use that, but I think everything attaches better to wood, and I wanted it to be a little bit lifted. I'm going to hot glue the center of the paper plate to the center of the wheel wreath form. Now I'm going to work with the decor piece, and I'm going to hot glue that around the paper plate. Now, since I lifted the center of the plate, I noticed that when I put the decor, it was a little wobbly. I did not want that. So I'm going to hot glue 4 pieces of Jenga block in the back of the wreath between the stoke and the plate so that the decor piece would not be wobbly, and it worked perfect. Just 2 more steps to go. Next, I'm gonna start working with the foam glitter stars. These are beautiful. I am going to now hot glue these stars to the piece of craft stick that we hot glued earlier to the stokes. I am gonna put 1 red, 1 white, 1 blue, 1 red, 1 white, 1 blue, all around except where I'm going to place the bow. Now it's time for the final touch. I'm going to hot glue the bow to the wreath form and we're done. I'll show you what it looks like. And here it is, you guys. I hope you like it. I love to make a beautiful wreath, but I don't like to spend a whole lot of money on it. I think I only got 9 items from Dollar Tree. And look how beautiful, you guys. It's so sparkly. It's so festive. It's so happy. I love the way that it turned out. I think you all know that I was not born in this country. My parents came here with 3 children when I was only 2 years old, and then they had 2 more here in the United States. My parents fled Cuba because of communism, and this country gave them an opportunity to start over again, and I am so proud to be an American citizen. I love our country, and I pray every day because there are so many that want to take away our way of life. I hope that never happens. God bless you all. God bless the United States of America. I hope that you guys will make a beautiful wreath for your door to celebrate the July the 4th, Day of Independence. God bless you all. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.